Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a split zipper on a backpack. It's a common frustration when your backpack zipper splits open, leaving your belongings exposed. Often, the slider isn't properly engaging the zipper teeth, causing the separation. Don't worry, with a few simple steps and perhaps a basic tool or two, you can often get your zipper working smoothly again in just a few minutes. Let's dive into how to diagnose and repair this common problem. Before attempting any repair, carefully inspect your zipper. Look closely at the slider itself. Sometimes it gets bent or widened, preventing proper tooth engagement. Also, check the zipper teeth for any obvious damage, like missing or bent sections, or if fabric is caught. For tools, you'll likely need a pair of needle nose pliers, a graphite pencil, or even a bar of soap to help lubricate the teeth. These simple items are usually all you need. To begin the repair, first pull the zipper slider all the way down to the very end of the zipper track, ensuring all teeth are separated. Next, take your needle nose pliers and very gently squeeze the top and bottom plates of the slider. This helps to narrow the gap, allowing it to grip the teeth more effectively. Be careful not to squeeze too hard, as you could damage the slider. Then, apply a bit of graphite from a pencil or some soap along the teeth for lubrication. Now, slowly and carefully pull the zipper slider upwards, observing if the teeth interlock properly. If it still splits, gently squeeze the slider a tiny bit more with your pliers and reapply lubrication. Remember, a little goes a long way. To prevent future splits, avoid overstuffing your backpack, which puts excessive stress on the zipper. Regularly clean the zipper teeth and apply a lubricant like graphite or zipper wax to keep it running smoothly for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.